Hello my sweets, welcome back to Beauty Meets DIY. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are all doing great. Before we start this DIY today, I do want to talk about a giveaway that I want to do. So you guys, these are these flip-flop sconces that I created a long time ago. You guys, I'm sorry, I really meant to give these away a while ago. I put them in storage, I forgot about them, so sorry. But I do have two sets, meaning two people can win these, and all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. If you have an Instagram account, you want to follow me over there, please thumbs up this video and then comment down below goodbye summer, hello fall. Okay, so again, you subscribe, join me on Instagram, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below goodbye summer, hello fall. So I will be announcing the winner 2 weeks from now, 2 weeks from today. So it's not going to be on my next DIY video, it's going to be on the one after that. So again, two people have the opportunity to win these because I have two sets. And they're pretty much going to be as is. I will try to put a little something behind there so that you can hang them up. But again, yeah, so this is end of summer giveaway for you guys. All right, so now to our DIY. So this is my inspiration for Z Gallerie. These are these beautiful, as you can see, they were originally 150, now 112 each. They're absolutely beautiful. And this is a clip from Simply Simona from YouTube. She has a beautiful home. This is a clip from her bedroom. As you can see, they're very large and gorgeous. Go check her out. I love her apartment. She's such a sweet person. Again, it's Simply Simona. So to replicate those, or at least try, we're going to use these silver platters, if that's what you call them, from the Dollar Tree. And we're going to use these Tower Game wooden blocks. You've seen me use these time and time again. So what you're going to do is, to start off, you're going to grab 3 pieces and join them together. 1, 2, 3. I can't emphasize enough, for something like this, you want to use your wood glue for these wooden pieces. You really want to make sure that are held in place tightly. And then, you know, you can add some hot glue to reinforce it, but definitely some wood glue. So we're basically creating 2 L shapes, and these are some tops to some jars that I had. I'm going to spray paint everything black. So here I have this mirror paper that I will link down for you guys down below. I have cut the exact size to go into the insert of these platters. As you can see, it has a very thin film that you have to remove afterwards. But in the meantime, we're just going to go ahead and put them in place. So yeah, this is some mirror paper. If I had to choose, I would probably have a mirror cut out to fit in here. That would be ideal. But if not, this is the next best thing. So you are going to be left with some little bubbles, and I suggest that you grab a pin like this one, or a safety pin, and just kind of poke a little hole, smooth it out so that it can, you know, get rid of, you know, most, or if not all, of those little air bubbles. Now we're going to grab some of this black diamond bling wrap, and I did pre-cut my pieces beforehand. And basically what I'm doing is just that I'm outlining my tray, and all around on the inside and the corners, you will see as we go along. Because in the Z Gallerie, I don't know if you notice up close, the trim, a very thin trim of those mirrors, you can expose a little bit of black. So this is kind of like what I was trying to imitate when I was doing this. So for this video, I'm going to give you 3 different looks on how you can, you know, create these beautiful sconces from Z Gallerie. So that's what that's looking like so far. As you can see, this one is just, you know, plain, just the way it is. It is beautiful. The next look that I did was that I kind of applied some of that thin silver glitter. I used this glitter glue from the Dollar Tree. I do not recommend that you use this. I recommend that you use some Mod Podge or some of that Elmer's clear glue that you always see me using. But again, I decided to use this. Not the best idea. But basically, I just applied some and then sprinkled the glitter on top, only on the edge part of this tray. So again, this is the second look that you can kind of go for. Again, you guys, I'm just giving you ideas and inspiration, but the rest is entirely up to you. You want to allow this to dry. So now that my L shapes are dry, we are going to go ahead and use that same black diamond bling wrap And what I'm doing is that I'm skipping the top wooden piece because that's the piece that I'm going to directly use to hang behind my platter or my tray. And you'll see what I mean as we go along. But again, I'm skipping that top wooden piece, and then I'm just covering the rest of the L with the bling wrap. And I'm going to do that obviously for both of them. And I'm going to also do the sides. Guys, don't forget those thumbs up if you're enjoying this video. I would really appreciate it. All right, so this is what I mean. So you see, I didn't want that bling wrap to be in the way. I really wanted that direct contact, if you will, with the wood and the tray. And again, I can't emphasize enough, you want to hold this with your strongest glue, because in the end you will see that this piece was going to be responsible for holding whatever lighting you're going to use. For example, a real candle, you know, so you want to make sure that this doesn't fall apart. So go ahead and find your center point right there, glue that in place, and then allow this to dry for at least 48 hours. And then, you know, you can put some glue along the outside of it and secure it in place with some tape while it dries. Now that my jar lid is dry, this is what I'm going to use, and again, using that strongest glue to hold that in place. Alright, so these come 2 in a pack at the Dollar Tree. So I have a few of these at home. This set right here, I started using it for a previous DIY, but that ended up not working out. So right there where I'm showing you is where I'm going to cut it. I am going to be using my hot knife to cut this piece off. So basically what I do, I make sure that my knife is nice and hot, and I'm going to score it as I turn it around. Score, turn it around, score, turn it around. And as I score and press, I want to go a little bit in deeper, but I don't go all the way in because you see what I mean? It just snapped perfectly and it's level. So I just kind of score and score it. I cut in some, but not all the way through. And I'm going to spray paint those black. And as you can see, once that was dry, I went ahead and embellished it a little bit more with that same bling wrap. And now I'm going to glue it there with our glue. So these are some choices. These are the tallest cylinder glass from the Dollar Tree. This is the shorter one. These are heavy pieces, so again, you want to reinforce your piece if you're going to use them. Those didn't fit in my lid, so I'm not going to use those. This is another option for you guys, and this one as well. But again, if you're going to use those cylinders, make sure that your piece is nice and secure. These are really new to the Dollar Tree. I just spotted them maybe a few days ago, and as you can see, that glass piece fit perfectly in there. So I absolutely love it. I'm going to glue it in place, and this is kind of a fragile, thin kind of a glass, so if you're going to use this, be careful. So I would glue it in place. Now to hang this, as you can see, I grabbed 2 more of those little wooden pieces, glued them down with my strongest glue, and then I hung that little, I screwed in that little piece. And yeah, so this is the end result, you guys. For our first look, I did go ahead and use my crushed diamond glam glitter. This is part of my collection. I absolutely love it. It is gorgeous. Again, you guys, I'm not just saying this because it's my glam glitter. In my humble opinion, it's very beautiful. I think it takes this piece quite a few levels up, you know, especially if we're trying to replicate that Z Gallerie piece, which is pretty hard, but this will be the next best thing. I think that this glitter is gorgeous. I'm so happy that you guys are happy with the glam glitters when you receive them, and you keep ordering and you're happy. So, and that really makes me happy. And so I wanted to share with you. I like to share with you so you can see what it looks like. And so this is here with the lights dimmed. and I just love the way it glistens, and I think it's gorgeous. So again, you don't have to use my glitter, but I'm just showing you what it looks like if you would. So here's the next look, and this was the original take that I did on it. It's just plain, you know, I did do the edges with the bling wrap, and I love it. I know sometimes I like things just to be simple, just like this. I think it's absolutely beautiful. So that's, you can leave it like that, and I think it's gorgeous in my opinion. And so this is the other look, that when I applied the fine glitter just along the edges of the plate or the tray. And so that's another look. I think this turned out absolutely gorgeous. But again, I always want to know what you guys think. I want to know if you're going to replicate this. I want to know where you're going to put in your home, how many you're going to make, what color scheme are you going with, or if you want to use my glitter, hey, I have plenty for you guys if you want to use it. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Again, I want to know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget about that giveaway. The instructions will be in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone.